Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to disable the distributed link tracking client on your Windows 10 computer. So if you're using external hard drives, there might be a way that it actually does create backups, that there's a hidden system volume information folder, and since it's off to your external drive, there's a chance that you're creating issues with that, and that's why you actually need to disable the link tracking client. So we're going to jump into it, and we're going to start by opening up the start menu, and you want to type in services. Best match should say services above desktop app. You want to left click on that one time to open it up, and now in services you want to look for something that says distributed link tracking client right here. You want to double click on it, set the startup type to disabled, and service status you want to stop it. And then once that's done, just left click on apply and OK. Recommend restarting your computer, and hopefully that has answered the question you guys came here for. So as always, thank you for watching. I do hope this tutorial was able to help you out, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.